Hello everybody, we got a Texas Star 1600 1.6 kW basic amp. And what happened to this puppy, two of the Toshibas were blown. I'm not going to buy no fake Toshibas and pay $200 a piece for them, or buy no real ones for $200 a piece. This ain't happening for this repair. I did this whole repair for less than what one Toshiba would cost. Shipped it back, and shipping it all back to the customer. So what we did, we redid the bison resistors, put two HG2879s in place of them, which seems to be working fine. Everything's balanced. No combiners getting hot, no problems. And I know some people say, oh, you can't do that. Well, this might not be ideal, maybe to some people, but I'm gonna tell you something. Done it, been there, done it several times, it works fine. All right, I left all the circuitry the same. We're gonna start it straight through SWR. Worldwide. Turn him on, look at our input SWR. Worldwide. Oh yeah, somebody been jacking around with the relay and had it all screwed up too. Fix that. So we're gonna look at regular radio drive. I'll show you what we're driving it with. Hello audio 34 watt drive. Makes a 14.2. Hello audio 892, which is right on the target for a Sweet 16. With radio drive audio, I mean that's just like perfect. There's your voltage, 1 2 1 2 1 2, worldwide. I'm gonna kick the little booster on the scoop radio in comp mode. Got the radio in comp mode. Hello audio, here's the radio now. So this now we're gonna be putting 80 watts into it, which is all I recommend for these things is a one pill modulator to drive them, or about 100 watts peak max. They do good to stay together like that. So you don't want to run over 100 watts into them. I mean, people does, but they won't stay together. They'll blow up. I've been there, done that, run them. I've had them for years. Before I even built amps, I used to run these, and I'd break them all the time with the one pill modulator. All right, and you know, if you get real long-winded. So I'm gonna turn him on and driven. We're gonna look at our 2500 watt PUP on our bird. Got 10s, 1000, and 15s, 1500. Hello, worldwide. She's right on money right there. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1200. Hello, audio worldwide. Now, just for kicks, so you know she's right. I don't recommend this, but I'm gonna use a little driver. 1 2 worldwide. I'm gonna put about 150 into it. Hello, audio 164 into it. Hello audio, get on up, so she's coming up. So, but I wouldn't run but 100 watts into her, ain't no reason to. She's just as loud and she'll stay running. And she'll last you that way. Turn it back on, radio, hello audio, worldwide, look at the tiny, worldwide, with 100 watts. Then for the tiny, worldwide, hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. There she is, she's all up repaired for you, ma'am. You can see my work there. It's 2 HGs, resistors and stuff I changed. But I worked right here on the relay. I had to fix that. The dial was blowed out. It was coming unkeyed. But she's all up and going, man. I appreciate everybody watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend in 10018 Beavis. Catch you later on. Bye-bye.